Today I'm going to be showing you a really useful tool to be able to record your phone conversations on an iPhone. Let's jump in. Now, before I show you this, I do want to mention that you need to make sure that you have the iOS 18 or higher, because this feature is built into that. So first, let's just open up our phone app here. And I had a recent telemarketer call me this morning. So I'm just going to use this phone number to show you how this works. So we'll just call that number back. And then up in the top left-hand corner, you see the little lines there. You just want to start and record that. It will notify both ends of the conversation that the call is going to be recorded, and then it begins recording it. Now, as you saw, when it ended, of course, they hung up on me because they didn't want to be recorded. But what it does is it'll save that recording and the transcript into your notes file. So all we need to do is we're just going to open up notes. When you go into the main page, you can see call recordings. You click on that and you can see the today I had that one, and you open it up. Of course, there was nothing recorded, but there you could play that back. And then also it'll give you a transcription of the entire call there. So you can be able to copy that or reference it or pull notes as you need from there. Even when they ended the call, it automatically saved that right away. So there's no additional steps once you press that button to start recording. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.